Hey everyone, this is Derek aka Slick Partner. Today I'm going to be swapping out the serpentine belt on Christy. I'm going to go with a Gates Fleet Runner belt. I'm going to be taking off the regular Gates belt. Going with the Fleet Runner belt because it offers better performance at prolonged extreme temperatures. It also resists cracking and wear at extreme temperatures. As you can see, I have exhaust headers on the vehicle, and especially during prolonged stops, those headers generate a lot of heat up under the hood. And one thing I don't want to have is a slipping belt. As you can see, my belt drives the alternator, power steering, the water pump. It goes around the crank, and the AC compressor. So one belt is doing it all, and I need the best protection possible. We'll go ahead and take the belt off here. Have them go ahead and put this Fleet Runner on. Easy breezy. Slides on easy. Just make sure everything is aligned correctly here before I start it up. As I was saying, folks, the headers, they get extremely warm. As you see the temperature there, (314 degrees, 316 degrees). They get extremely warm. As you can see, I got my Fleet Runner belt installed, running nice. Like I said at the start of the video, the Fleet Runner offers better performance at prolonged extreme operating temperatures. It resists cracking and wear also at extreme operating temperatures. And lastly, I mean, it just looks cool. I mean, the theme of Christie here is being different. You know, everyone has a black belt. Not saying anything's wrong with the black belts, but I like the green belt because it stands out from everything else. Alright, I do appreciate you watching this video. I will continue to have more content on Christie as I continue this build out. Thanks for watching.